a day 20 update. Take a moment to read these disclaimers and daily most common mistakes. And we are with this setup, and we are at day 20. And what is the update today? And these are the initial setup which we started with the capital and buffer money and risk reward which we are maintaining, and maximum loss allowed, and as per current position what is the maximum loss and maximum profit. And here you can see day 20 and 25th November 2024, and we are at realized profit around 59288.2 and realized profit or loss minus 61658.98. And these are the setups which we are following: low risk taker, low capital, 2 strategy almost at once, and 30% capital at is lost. If the then this series is considered as end. Adjustment allowed only once per day, not reacting to everyday ups and moves. This series we are doing. And the funny thing, if you see, we started with this position, and as per this setup, if uh, the if the price is more than 2400 PE, 2400 to 25,000, then we are about to get 15k, and if we are not, then we will lose 15k. So that's a setup we started with, but after so much of struggle, all those things, again it came back to the original position, but still we are struggling. So that's because we did some mistake, what we mentioned in this earlier thing few. So because of that only we are also in suffering. Like day one, day two, there was not much changes I did, just small changes, and once in a while I booked profit. Then I started booking, changing position every day, started doing that, because market started moving violently, and I was looking for the market to recover after 2 weeks, but there is no sign of um, returning only. So after 3-4 weeks, now after this week it bounced back, but we were waiting for very long time. It's a very uh, to a very long time. And you can see here at one point and all, like this is a setup, like at least if it moves up by 1.5 or 2% also, then we will be in very good position. So it's a day 17, but in the last 2 days it went up like anything. Here you can see if it moved 3%, then we will be with the profit of 22,000. So at the time it is around 23,350. From here only the problem starts. Now you can see for 3% only 22,007, and if 4 or 5% also it may give the same, because it will be more than that, sorry, if it will be more than that, but we again adjusted, and yesterday by day 19 I think, and day 19, then we are at like this. If it is moving just 0.5, then that's enough, but today also it moved up like more, and now this is a current. So as per current setup, it should not go up. Upside loss will be limited, but if it goes down, then we will be in very good profit. That too exactly if minus 2%, then it will be very good, but minus 2 is not that easy. It need to drop by 500 point, and 23,800 it need to go, but probability is less only. Let's see. And what I did today, like I closed a few position, so that is a 24,200 CE. So I booked the profit around 10,511, and one more position I closed, that is a This one 23,900 CE. So not this one. This one I closed 23,900 P. So it's around 16,000 I closed. And one more profit we booked 24,200 P. That is around 975. So totally together we booked around 27,682 rupees we booked today. And on the other hand, this loss went up like anything for 23,800 CE. And yeah, that one all it went up like nothing. So still unrealized loss will be bigger one. So what I did, like only 25 quantity I sold in the upper side. This one upper side 25 unit. So that's the reason if it is go down it will be good profit, but if it goes up it's not like a good profit. If I sold it few more 75 quantity, then the loss will be minimum at the upper side also. But I thought like it moved up very fast, so at least it should consolidate, or it will take back for a small moment and it will go up. And gold, what happened, it went down 1.5%. So again minus 134, as the investment is not big, so it's not making any sense currently. And how it went up, like you can see here, it bounced, it's went up like anything. So why I kept like this setup is like it can go down and it will go up because there will be a gap here. So mostly it should come back and then only it will go up. But let's see, like that only we adjusted so many time, but market is not going as per our thing. So it is moving as it goes. And the creeks delta is minus 47. So it's like, it means like if it goes down then it will be good for us. Theta minus 963, so it's not profitable for us because of time decay. And gamma is 0.067, and vega 423. This is fine, and this is also fine, it's not going to impact. And theta is minus 963, so it's not good for us because of time decay we are losing money instead of gaining. So that's about today's update. Let's see you on tomorrow.